Here we are at the Black Cabin Holiday Park. Swimming pool there. Sun loungers. People come in, they stay in those little huts at the back there, like tin cabins. And then they got the view all the way over to Clark's.
Sir, naglakad kami dun eh. Doon kami nakapagin.
So here is one of the black cabins. They are just containers. This one's in the middle of being done up.
Pagtagulan yung mga flat yung ito.
Let's go and have a quick look.
Sir, pasok po. Ito lang po ang bakante, pasensya na. Sir, pasensya na po ah. Handa rin na may dyan.
Here they are.
Ay, si Foreman.
There's the view.
Isa na lang kuya, isa na lang tayo.
You can see on that one there, they've got like a little hot tub in the corner there.
Mas maganda view talaga rito, pero
Go inside and have a look. This one's been renovated. It's a little bedroom. Looks like they've got that's a projector, so you get a full window projection of your TV. Little self-catering kitchen. And there's your little bathroom. It's a toilet and shower, customary Filipino bucket. So this is the Black Cabin Viewpoint.